Hey everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to make some DIY Christmas cards that are pretty quick and easy. So this first one involves a lot of trees. You're basically going to draw a bunch of triangles all over your paper in different colors ranging from light to dark. And it doesn't have to be too neat, just make a bunch of triangles stacked upon each other. And don't worry if it's hard to tell what's what, because you're going to now trace it with a black pen. So now I'm drawing on top of the triangles with some ornaments. I'm just doing some of the trees, doing little lines and circles. You can be creative. And that's what it looks like. And then I'm just taking a Sharpie. You can also use a Tombow pen or even a crayola marker. I'm just writing Merry Christmas in calligraphy on top. But you can also do normal print or just print something online and glue it on top. So yeah, that's the final product. Yeah, so next we have the card that looks like a wreath. I'm basically starting with a Tombow pen. Again, just use whatever you have. And I'm writing Joy to the World in calligraphy. But I'm writing it sort of at a slanted angle, and then I'm drawing like a semicircle on two sides, and then drawing some leaves, and then adding some dots to make it look fully like a wreath. So this next one's kind of tough. It's basically just filling up the entire space with words. So I took lyrics from a song, and I'm writing with two different colors in watercolor and just filling up the whole space. It says, "May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white." And then I'm just filling in the little spots with circles, so it looks a little more. Probably takes the longest, but it comes out looking very professional. This is the last one, it's definitely the easiest. You just draw a bunch of abstract shapes everywhere, from stars, squiggles, circles, lines. Get creative, whatever you want, and it basically makes a wreath shape. I used 3 different colors and then ended up writing a little message in the middle. You can say whatever you want. I just wrote Happy Holidays. Here's the final product.